Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll be going over how to set up your store on Wix, adding your first product. So let us get started. In setting up your store, you need to add your products. So here, on our Wix website, click on Let's Set Up Your Store. Tap on Add Your First Product. As you can see, they have simple products. Click on New Product and tap on Physical Products since we will be selling actual shirts, not the digital ones. So of course, we will write the name of the product. I will name it White T-shirt. After that, we will also add images or videos if you have, then upload media. On the right side, you can edit the picture you have uploaded if you want. So just adjust the brightness, contrast, and everything to make the picture more appealing. After editing, click on Save and tap on Add to Page. We now have an image of our product. We also need to write some description about the product we are selling. Then add the price of the product. Click on Sale if it is on sale. Then, add how much discount you want to give to your customers. You can also add some products options if you want and just toggle on this button if it needs to be pre-ordered. You can also create a subscription if you want. So, if you are done, just click on Save. Easy as that. The product has now been added on your website. So that's it. Our next video would be how to design our website on Wix. Thanks for watching and until the next one.